Every year we try and weave in a built piece into the second year curriculum, and this year we are making a mobile pop-up cinema. And really these 2 days are all about prototyping, testing ideas, and making students aware that design is about using what you have around you in a really fast-paced situation. Often on site, nothing is quite like you think it's going to be, and a lot of our work as architects is dealing with things as they emerge on site and then reacting.
This is really crucial, this sort of aspect of architectural education, to give them this sort of hands-on experience of not just the technology behind a quick assembly project, but also the multidisciplinary nature of how everything comes together, and that results in some, very beautiful projects.
I think the thing that I've learnt the most is problem solving, like in the moment on site, where we have a bunch of materials that we have to figure out what to do with. We're kind of solving everything out together, bouncing off ideas, seeing what works best, trial and error.
Hands-on experiences are always so helpful to understand, especially as architects. We're mostly going to be in practice at our desk drawing it out, but once you actually go on site and see how it is, how you build it, way the design gets into a physical object, I think it's very helpful to understand really what our job will be in the future.
We pre-assembled a bunch of components to then sort of teach students about how things can be prefabricated and then erected on site to become a structure. We're constantly coming up with problems that maybe one hasn't thought of during the CAD process. So it's about understanding that you can work things out with your hands.
Materials aren't infinite. They are finite resources, and we need to use them carefully. And turning up with some stuff and just letting them sift through it and work out how to solve problems is a really interesting and key part of their learning.